What's going on, guys? On to the next video. This is my new piece of equipment. This is the Palstar AT5K HFE antenna tuner. Plan on using this with my 4-to-1 bound and my 80-meter loop. Okay, so what's going on there? Uh-oh, the lid's already off. Unbelievable. All right, let me walk you through what went on there. A few days ago, I just got this in from DX Engineering, and right so far, the only thing I've ever done on here, it's never been hooked up or anything. I merely unpacked it and then set it on top of the bench here. All right, so right off the bat, I just wanted to see how's this thing feel. So I noticed it was a little sluggish, and then it would start to get that resistance in the knob. So I peeked through the grill of the cabinet, and I noticed I was getting at least 7 degrees play before we start to move that air variable capacitor in there. I said, well, that can't be right. So this one was fine. This started to move immediately. So I thought, all right, well this sucks, because you know what? Here, I'll share it with you. That's how much this tuner cost. I was a little disappointed. The first thing I had to do on a tuner this cost that much, first thing I had to do was fix it, pop the lid and fix it. It's a little disappointing. I called DX Engineering and let them know about it. But a long story short, I won't bore you guys. Before I'm going to do a full walkthrough. We're going to take a tour of this. While it's open, might as well. So me, you, and everybody else can get a picture of it. But anyhow, what it turned out to be, there was this set screw. I'm going to swing this light around here so we can get that in there. That set screw right there. I'll get my Allen wrench here. Let me see if I can get my hand in there. Right there. As soon as I put my Allen wrench in there, oh yeah, it was backed off quite a bit. It was along that spin. So my only concern is that going to back out over time, or is it from the factory? They just not cranked that down good. So at any rate, it is good working now. It's nice and tight. All right. So all right, it all ends well. So while this is open, I hope to never have to take this lid off ever again. So, well, except I'll have to take it off to clean that air filter right there. But other than that, I never wanted to take this lid off again. So before we close this back up, let's take a tour. Come on, let's hit a ride. Let's start back here. SA239 connectors. A little solder blowout there. Sorry, once I zoom in so far, my phone starts to lose it. Okay, let's zoom in here. Looks like a burn mark right there. Okay, I'll keep on going. Off camera, I'll come back through and really double check everything. So if one screw's loose, chances are could be more. Okay, there's a selector switch. I'll be right here. This controls that. Shaft goes all the way to the back. Yeah, I have to check all these set screws. Okay, let's continue on. Size reference, there's my hand. I don't want to touch them. Just gotta zoom in here. Here we go. Hopefully I'm not making you guys dizzy. Well, zoomed in, it's hard to keep the camera from shaking. Okay. Okay. See you all here. Let's go to the other side. Make sure these are working. Okay, these seem to snap back pretty good. Go to the other side here. Taking the tour. forward here. Okay, I'm gonna spin this. Already checked this, of course. The big old air variable capacitor. Seems to be spinning nice. That is locked on now. Just checking. Still not as hot to check out the screws. I guess it's working right. There's still a tiny bit of play in there, but manageable. Alright, we're gonna spin the roller inductor. There you go. That's what I'm gonna be doing is spinning this. I will say that is silky smooth. Really smooth. I'm gonna go complete to the end there. I think I see something there, hang on. Don't know what that is. I'll check that one off camera. Looks like a little bit of solder, looks like a solder ball. Alright, let's do an extreme zoom in of the inductor coil. Here we go. There we go. Keep going up. Don't get seasick. Don't barf, guys. Just wanted to take a good close look at this. Alright. Alright, final bird's eye view. Zoom out. See if I can make sure I didn't miss anything. Come in here. Alright. Alright guys, this is the brand new Palstar AT5K. Hope you had fun of the real close-up tour. Hoping to make anybody sick. Besides the sound of my voice. I'm at the movement on my camera. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. KP68, I'm free and clear.